Question number 26 is from probability. The table summarizes the distribution of color and shape for 100 tiles of equal area. That means total tiles are 100. Okay, it's a two-way table. Let's understand how to read this table or how to read the data from this table. Now, you can see there are square tiles and pentagonal tiles, right? So, if you go this way and this way, so red and square are leading to this number 10. That means there are 10 red square tiles. Now if you go with this 20 and square blue, so there are 20 blue square tiles, 25 yellow square tiles. Now if you see this total, it's here. So that is the total of these all square tiles. That means total of square tiles is 55. They can be red, blue or yellow of any color. So 10 plus 20 plus 25, 55, total 55 square tiles. Now if you come to this number, it's coming from red tiles and pentagonal shape. So 20 red pentagon tiles, 10 blue pentagon tiles, 15 yellow pentagon sides. And this total is for this pentagon tile column. 20 row, 20 plus 10 plus 15 is 45. Okay. Now this is the total of red tiles. 10 plus 20, 30. 20 plus 30, 30. 25 plus 15, 40. So 40 total yellow tiles. And overall tiles are 100. So now you know what is the meaning of every number written in this two-way table. Now let's come back to the question. If one of these tiles is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a red tile? Now before writing the formula or anything, before going with the formal way, let's take it in a very simple way. Like probability is like, what's the chance? What is the chance that you get a red tile? Then immediately you will see, okay, red tiles are 30 and total tiles are 100. That means out of 100, there are 30 chances that we are going to get a red tile, right? And now that is not in the standard form. So we can convert it into standard form, which is 3 by 10. That is the answer. And if we go with the proper formula of probability, so we will say it like this. Probability of event is equal to favorable outcomes. That means outcome of which probability is needed. Favorable outcomes over total outcomes. Now what is favorable outcome here? A red tile, which is 30. And how many total outcome? Total outcomes, here the outcome is tiles, number of tiles, which is 100. So 30 over 100, which is 3 by 10. Now we have to answer our question as a decimal or a fraction, not as a percent. So 3 by 10 is fraction and 0.3 will be the decimal.